Detailed study note on Polymyxin B. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Polymyxin B sulfate. Pronunciation Polymyxin B. Drug class Polymyxin B belongs to polypeptide antibiotics, cell membrane active antibacterial agents. It is considered a reserve antibiotic because it is usually used when bacteria are resistant to safer antibiotics. Common brand names examples include Poly B, AK Polybac Polytrim with trimethoprim, Neosporin ophthalmic combinations. Brand names may vary by country. Available drug forms, form root purpose, injection IVIM, severe systemic infections, eye drops, ophthalmic eye infections, eye ointment, ophthalmic, bacterial conjunctivitis, ear drops, otic, ear infections, topical creams, ointments, skin infections. Number 2. Definition Polymyxin B is a bactericidal antibiotic mainly effective against dangerous gram-negative bacteria. It is especially useful against hospital-acquired infections, drug-resistant organisms, life-threatening infections. It acts rapidly by damaging the bacterial membrane. Number 3. Mechanism of action, MOA. Simple explanation. Polymyxin B acts like a detergent on bacterial membranes. It binds to lipopolysaccharides, LPS, phospholipids in bacterial outer membranes. This damages the membrane and causes leakage of intracellular contents, loss of essential ions, cell death. Organisms covered. Sensitive organisms, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, E. coli, Enterobacter, Klebsiella, Acinetobacter. Poor activity against gram-positive bacteria, anaerobes, Proteus species. Bactericidal action. The drug kills bacteria directly rather than only stopping growth. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, poorly absorbed from gastrointestinal tract, not useful orally for systemic infections, usually given intravenously. Distribution, distributed mainly in extracellular fluid, limited penetration into brain, CSF, lung tissue. Protein binding, moderate protein binding. Metabolism, minimal hepatic metabolism. Excretion, mainly eliminated by kidneys. Accumulation occurs in renal impairment, increasing toxicity risk. Half-life, usually 6 to 12 hours, longer in kidney disease. Number 5. Usage, major clinical uses, severe resistant infections, multi-drug resistant gram-negative infections, bloodstream infections, septicemia, respiratory infections, ventilator-associated pneumonia, urinary tract infections, meningitis, sometimes intrathecal with specialist supervision, eye infections, conjunctivitis, keratitis, blepharitis, ear infections, otitis externa, skin infections, minor infected wounds. Number 6. Indications Polymyxin B is indicated when infections are caused by susceptible bacteria. Common indications, condition, purpose, septicemia, serious bloodstream infection, UTI, resistant urinary infections, pneumonia, hospital-acquired infections, eye infections, bacterial conjunctivitis, ear infections, external ear infection, burns, wounds, secondary infection prevention. 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications, allergy to polymyxin antibiotics. Relative contraindications. Use cautiously in kidney disease, neuromuscular disease, myasthenia gravis, Parkinsonism, elderly patients. Number 8. Precautions before taking. Assess renal function. Important tests, serum creatinine, blood urea nitrogen, urine output. Neurological monitoring. Watch for tingling, muscle weakness, confusion, respiratory depression. Pregnancy. Use only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding. Use cautiously because safety data are limited. Elderly patients, higher risk of nephrotoxicity, neurotoxicity. Number 9. How to use intravenous administration. Nursing responsibilities. Dilute correctly, infuse slowly, monitor IV site, monitor vital signs. Eye drops. Procedure 1, wash hands. 2, tilt head backward. 3, pull lower eyelid down. 4, instill prescribed drops. 5, avoid touching dropper tip. Procedure 1, warm bottle in hands. Tilt head sideways. 3, administer drops. 4, remain in position 2 to 5 minutes. /topical use. Clean affected area first. Apply thin layer. 10, dosing information. Adults, IV dose typical, 15,000, 25,000 units per day, divided every 1 to 12 hours. Eye drops, 1 to 2 drops every 3 to 6 hours. Pediatric dose based on body weight, infection severity. Renal dose adjustment, dose must be reduced in kidney impairment. 11. Misdose and overdose. Misdose injection. Administer as soon as possible. Skip if next dose is near. Eye eardrops. Use when remembered. Do not double doses. Symptoms: acute kidney injury, muscle paralysis, respiratory failure, dizziness, severe weakness, emergency treatment, stop drug, supportive care, ventilatory support if needed. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Avoid suddenly stopping. Premature discontinuation may cause recurrence of infection, antibiotic resistance. Avoid concurrent use with toxic drugs. Nephrotoxic drugs, aminoglycosides, vancomycin, amphotericin B. Neuromuscular blocking agents may worsen respiratory paralysis. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, side effect explanation, pain at injection site, local irritation, mild rash, allergic reaction, eye irritation, burning, stinging, nausea, GI discomfort. Serious side effects. Nephrotoxicity. Most important adverse effect. Signs: reduced urine output, elevated creatinine, fluid retention. Neurotoxicity. Symptoms: tingling, numbness, confusion, drowsiness, blurred vision. Neuromuscular blockade can lead to muscle weakness, respiratory paralysis. Hypersensitivity reactions, rash, fever. Anaphylaxis. 14. Vital information. Black box type clinical concerns. Polymyxin B has significant toxicity risk. Important monitoring, parameter, reason, kidney function, detect nephrotoxicity, respiratory status, detect paralysis, neurological status, detect neurotoxicity, drug response, ensure effectiveness. Resistance concern, improper use may lead to resistant organisms. Now 15, drug interactions. Drugs increasing kidney toxicity, drug risk, vancomycin, kidney damage, gentamicin, severe nephrotoxicity, amikacin, ototoxicity, nephrotoxicity, amphotericin B, renal toxicity, drugs increasing neuromuscular blockade, general anesthetics, skeletal muscle relaxants may increase risk of respiratory depression. Number 16, drug comparison. Feature polymyxin B, colistin, drug group, polypeptide antibiotic. Main target, gram-negative bacteria, toxicity, high, CNS penetration poor, common use, resistant infections, administration, IV topical, IV inhalation. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching for polymyxin B injection. Important instructions for the patient. 1. Take the medicine exactly as prescribed. Use the injection only under medical supervision. Do not skip doses. Complete the full course even if symptoms improve. Number 2. Monitor for side effects. Tell the doctor or nurse immediately if you experience reduced urine output, swelling of feet or face, muscle weakness, tingling or numbness, difficulty breathing, severe dizziness, skin rash, or itching. Number 3. Kidney care. Because polymyxin B may damage the kidneys, drink enough fluids unless fluid restriction is advised. Attend regular kidney function tests. Avoid dehydration. Number 4. Avoid self-medication. Do not take other antibiotics, painkillers like NSAIDs, herbal medicines without consulting the doctor. Number 5. Inform healthcare providers about current medicines. Tell the healthcare provider if taking gentamicin, amikacin, vancomycin, muscle relaxants, diuretics. These medicines may increase side effects. 6. Watch for allergic reactions. Seek emergency help if you develop breathing difficulty, swelling of lips or throat, severe rash, chest tightness. Number 7. Safety advice. Avoid alcohol unless approved by doctor. Avoid driving if dizziness occurs. Elderly patients should be monitored carefully. 8. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Inform the doctor if pregnant or planning pregnancy. Consult the doctor before breastfeeding. 9. Follow-up care. Keep all follow-up appointments. Regular monitoring may include kidney function tests, urine output, neurological assessment. Number 10, storage and handling. Store as instructed by healthcare professionals. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use expired medication. Thank you. Have a nice day.